All right, it is our DTS Soundspace Sundays. I'm Megan Holiday, and I'm here with Cannons. What's up, you guys?
Yo, what's up?
Yo, yes, Michelle, Ryan, and Paul. So good to see you guys. So we're gonna jump into this at-home performance before we get to our chat. So let's do it. Let's jump in right now.
was on fire for you. Where did you go? I could have died for you. How could you not know? I was alive with you, but you brought in the cold. Was I being lied to? Wish I never met you. Starting to regret you. My heart just drops, thinking about you. The world just stops when I'm without you. I was on fire for you. I was on fire for you. I was on fire for you. You're breaking me down. Don't know what I should do when you come around. I'm leaving without your love. I have no choice. I know I'm being lied to. I just need some time to stop thinking about you. My heart just dropped, thinking about you. The world just stops when I'm without you. My heart just drops, thinking about you. The world just stops when I'm without you. I was on fire for 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 you. When I passed you in the doorway, well, you took me with a glance. I should have took the last bus home, but I asked you for a dance. Now we go steady to the pictures. Always got chocolate stains on my pants. And my father, he's going crazy. He says I'm living in a trance, but I'm dancing in the moonlight. It's caught me in a spotlight, dancing in the moonlight on this long
All right, so we just got to catch Cannon's at-home performance that they did especially for us. Thank you guys so much. And the final song you guys played was actually a Thin Lizzy cover of Dancing in the Moonlight. So I was just kind of wondering what made you guys want to cover that song?
Oh.
Well, originally it was Ryan's idea.
Yeah, I just kind of, I think the first week of quarantine, I was just messing around with a bunch of acoustic kind of covers. And I was like, you know what? Michelle would sound great on this track. And then during one of our last like recording sessions, we had some spare time to kill, and I just started strumming it. And I'm like, just sing this, Michelle. You'll love it. Don't worry about it. It'll be great.
Never heard the song before.
Yeah, and she was like, I feel like my voice was made for this song. And I'm like, let's do it.
It's just really fun to sing.
Yeah, it's got a great
beautiful.
vibe. It's got this melancholy, cool vibe that I think a lot of people can gravitate towards.
Such a good vibe. And you guys really made it your own, and you get to introduce people that maybe don't know a lot about Thin Lizzy to their music, which I love.
For sure. Yeah, absolutely.
So I was kind of lurking on your guys' Instagram, and I saw that you had actually met at a coffee shop in North Hollywood after finding each other on Craigslist. So this is before Craigslist got super sketchy. So I was kind of wondering if you could just give us a little bit of a backstory. Ryan and Paul, I know you guys were kind of friends before, so maybe just how the band came together.
Yeah, it was definitely the Craigslist post that I made. Ryan, I guess you still use Craigslist, right?
I do.
Really?
It's funny because the other week I bought a microphone off of Craigslist because I feel like Craigslist is one of those places where like people will sell their gear or whatever just to pay rent really, really quick. So it's always a good deal. So I was browsing through Craigslist when I saw her ad.
And that was about like 7 years ago. And since I was from Florida originally, I just didn't know anyone out here and was looking for some other musicians in the area. Found these guys. The first song we ever worked on, we were kind of just like sending each other stems and material back and forth over the computer before I actually met up with you, Ryan, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We were like, this sounds good. And then we met up and started our band.
Yeah, the wild thing is the way I found her was I typed in this really obscure band that we both liked at the time. And like you can put in your influences and like keywords. So I typed in that band just on a whim, and she popped up, and I was like, who is this girl? And she didn't live too far away, and it just all worked out.
Oh my gosh, can I ask who the band was?
Yeah, it's this band called Trust.
Nice. Yeah, so it's like, what are the
Trust.
odds of I'm gonna just trust that this person is not a serial killer. And oh my gosh. So you guys you've been around for a while, but right now I think there's just so much happening for you. Your song that we've been playing the hell out of on KROQ, Fire for You.
Thank
It
you.
sounds incredible.
Thank you.
It sounds so good, you guys. And I know it was used in the Netflix series Never Have I Ever. So how much did that, having your song be in that show, how did that kind of change things for you guys?
It completely changed everything.
Yeah.
To be honest, like
That was a big game changer.
Yeah.
We just, all of our streams shot up,
I mean, we did around the time when it aired, all of us had lost our jobs. We were doing all part-time jobs.
Yeah.
And I don't really remember exactly how it happened, but maybe Paul or Michelle texted one of us, and they're like, our song's on this show, and it's getting like a lot of exposure. And I was like, let's check out the show. And the show is amazing as well.
We knew it was coming because we got an email saying that we didn't know exactly if it was going to happen or when it was going to happen.
I never checked that email. I'm bad at checking emails.
So like we didn't have any idea how big the show was going to be or how popular it was going to be, but it went to #1 on Netflix like really quick. And like,
and then it was the number
the song is like at a pivotal moment in the show. So and like it's a point where like all the audio drops out and it's just the song playing, just visual, like, and it's like
It's basically a music video for like our song.
Yes, I saw the clip, and because I haven't watched the show yet, but now I want to watch it.
It's great.
It's a good show, yeah, really good show.
And it's a very powerful, I know nothing about the show, but just from that one scene and from your guys' music, I feel like I totally know what's going on. I'm like, oh, there's a vibe between these people. What's going to happen,
For sure, for sure.
your music is very cinematic. You know, when you guys are writing, are you visualizing things in your head? You know, Michelle, when you're writing lyrics, it's like, are you writing from more personal stories, or is it, you know, just kind of stuff that's going on around you?
Usually it's personal stories. But we are influenced by so many different things too. Visually, sonically, different movies, different, I don't know. The lyrics come from all different places.
I have to give you props because I love in the Nothing Anywhere outro when you talk about, you know, I want to marry a French poet. I have a few anxiety disorders, but that won't stop me, you know. I love like how open and honest and real you are with your lyrics. It's, you know, do you feel like talking about your struggles is kind of cathartic for you?
Yeah, I feel like writing lyrics is definitely very cathartic. And it's been a therapeutic experience getting through tough breakups and stuff like that, which is, yeah, we write a lot of love songs and songs about broken hearts. And
Stuff we can all relate to, you know?
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to speak for Michelle, but I think that's one of the coolest things when she can write some lyrics that really relate to a bunch of people. It probably makes, you know, a lot of people feel like they're not alone.
Exactly.
mm-hmm.
Exactly. I'm all about that, you know, and I was listening to you guys all morning, and it made me, your music makes me feel really calm. And in a way, it kind of reminds me of when I'm listening to Sade or something like that. Where
We get that a lot.
Yeah.
you do?
We do.
Okay, yeah. There's, I think it's the bass or something. I don't know, but I was just
I
like,
think it's just the baby making vibe.
yeah. I love it. And you guys also kind of refer to your music as future boogie, which I
Yes.
love. So what exactly is a breakdown of that?
It was just a joke at the time. Yeah. We were, it was kind of when we were just tapping into what we could do as a trio with our music and experimenting with like R&B and different grooves. It had this very modern, futuristic production element that Paul brings to it, but it was still something that you could like really boogie with, like from the past, like a lot of like Stax Records kind of vibe. So just as a joke, we started calling our genre future boogie, which is really funny because we would log into message boards and people would be having debates like, no, this isn't future boogie. And yes, it is. It's like, never even heard of it before.
That's so true.
So I wanted to ask you guys, this is actually, we're celebrating radio's 100th anniversary of existence. So I'm just wondering, what has been the impact of radio on your career?
I think it's been a pretty awesome experience the past couple months. We've gained a lot of fans. We've had a lot of people reach out to us, and our Shazams have gone up because of the radio. Our streams are
yeah, I feel like radio is still
so
one of those
cool.
really respectable platforms, especially for like our friends and family, like they've heard our material on Spotify a bunch, and like anybody can put something on Spotify, but when like close family hears us on the radio, they're like immediately texting us and sending us a video, like, you guys are on the freaking radio. It's like, yeah, it's kind of like this we made it moment.
It's a different ball.
Yeah, it's the that thing you do moment, you know?
100%.
It's so exciting, and I'm so excited for you guys. My last question for you really is, what has been your career highlight so far, and what do you hope to see, I guess, over the next couple years for you guys? Like maybe just bucket list moments.
A career highlight? Let's see. We recently shot a music video we're excited about. And that's exciting.
We shot a music video
so
with
cool.
A little bit of a bigger budget than we're used to, which was really great because we're able to capture all of the images that were floating through our head that we weren't able to do in the past. So we kind of made that a reality.
Finally connected the cinematic element you were describing that we all feel and the sonic element of canon. So we can't wait to share that.
Yeah, can't wait to release some new material as well. I think we've experimented a little bit more still keeping it very Cannons, but like I think every track we make, every EP and album we make, we're always pushing ourselves to kind of create something a little bit more refreshing for our listener.
Oh wait, and the other night, a career highlight is Elton John.
Oh yeah, freaking
Played us.
Sir Elton John
He
played
loves
us.
Yeah, he played us on his
Cool?
Rocket Hour.
Yes.
And he said that he loves Fire for You, and that was like,
Yeah.
we were just like, what is
Guys,
your life?
Elton John knows you exist. This is
Yeah.
great. He loves your music.
Yeah,
That was like a tear in the eye moment.
totally.
Yeah.
I told him, I'm like, I did the Crocodile Rock at least 2 or 3 times that night.
Oh my God. And you want to know what? I've discovered so many artists because of his playlist. So
Nice.
this is amazing. I'm just so excited for you guys. You know, I know you're local, you're from here in LA. I can't wait till we get back to shows and I can come out and
Oh,
see
man.
you guys and meet in real life, you know?
Yes.
Oh yeah, thank you so much. We
Yeah.
love KROQ, so this is really a big treat for us.
It is. Thank you for having us.
Thank you so much. So yeah, you guys can all hear Fire for You. We're playing the heck out of Cannons on the radio. So Ryan, Michelle, and Paul, thank you so much for hanging out with me. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.
Same
Awesome.
to you. Take
Thank
care.
you. Same to you.
All right, thanks guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, Megan Holiday, and Cannons for our DTS Soundspace Sundays. And you know we're going to be back next Sunday with a fresh interview and performance for you at 6 p.m. I miss you so much, and I hope that you're doing so great. So stay safe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.